Steve with Best Custom Screens. Today I'm going to show you how to measure a window screen. Now we have an existing screen here. We're going to go ahead and measure it. It fits perfectly. I'm going to show you how to measure it that way. And then I'm going to show you also how to measure it without having an existing screen. Because a lot of times that happens. Screens fall off, they disappear. I don't know what happens to them. They just end up not being in the windows. So anyhow, so let's get started. First, you need to remove the window screen. And on this particular screen, the thumb tabs are on the inside, therefore I need to go on the inside to remove the screen, okay? See, I'm right here. See, basically pull the thumb tabs to the side on this particular screen, and this is what the thumb tabs look like. We're going to measure the width by height, and I use usually for window screens, because of the framing size, I'll use the small tape measure, which I have the Stanley Fat Max. It's a small 6-foot tape measure. It's actually a keychain. I carry this with my car keys all the time. So the idea is that you use it small for when you're actually going to measure the inside of the frames, okay? Instead of just the actual window screen. But so then when you're doing the actual window screen, you could use really any size tape measure. It's just this one is particular for the inside of the actual window frame, okay? The channel. Okay, so first off, we're going to measure the window screen itself. So I'm going to take this, make sure we pull on the tape. Oops, hold on from corner to corner. Pull on the tape. This measurement here is 22 5/16, okay? And then just to double check, you flip it over, check the other side. As long as these are straight and it works, then you could measure the same thing. So same size, 22 5/16, okay? Now if you have one that's bent, then don't measure the bent side, obviously, because then you're not going to get an accurate measurement, okay? Okay, and then we're going to measure the other two sides. So this is the height measurement now. And this is 33 5/8. And then other side, also 33 5/8. Okay? So we got our measurements. You're going to always go width first, and then the height. And so you write down that measurement. You can enter it into our website to get a price and order at bestcustomscreens.com. Okay, so right now we're going to show you how to measure the inside of your window frame when you don't have an existing window screen. It's one of the most difficult things to measure, okay? So first off, what you do is you see that you have a channel on both sides here. This one here is a vinyl window, therefore this side is a little less deep than the opposite side, which is right here. You can see this side has a lot deeper of a groove. Now what you want to do is you have your little tape measure, and you could actually fit that in there, okay? And what I do is I measure it to the edge here, which is going to give me a measurement of 22 5/8. So if you deduct 5/16 of an inch, that's going to get you 22 5/16. Now it's a real challenge. A lot of times when you have these window screens and you measure them, you know, you might measure it and sometimes it may not fit. You may have to trim it down. So be advised when you're measuring window screens, not everyone's an expert, even the experts. Okay, so therefore you will need a chop saw or a hacksaw to trim your frames, and also the rolling tool to rescreen the screen back in. If you're planning on doing window screens yourself, make sure that you have those tools available and you can do that. Don't expect to order a window screen and have it fit all the time, just because even if you measure it correctly, for some reason sometimes they just don't fit. Okay, so we just did the width. Okay, so I said the deep channel like that, like we talked about, and then now we're going to do the height. Now you have the channel here also, and then the deep channel is here on the top. It's not as deep as the right side, but you want to make sure that it fits. So what we're going to do is we're going to set the tape measure on the bottom here, and then measure to the edge here of the actual window frame. I got a measurement of 33 7/8. Now remember, if you can point out here that I have the tape measure on the inside. So it's like, in other words, it's going to slide in here, and then it's going to slide through. If you don't take that measurement correctly, then also the window screen might not be able to fit. Okay, so that's how you measure a window screen. Be sure to order at bestcustomscreens.com if you can on our video here if you'd like it, as well as subscribe to our channel and expect more videos about both window screens, screen doors, as well as blinds. Okay, have a great day. Take care.